Are you tired of constantly checking exchange rates only to miss the perfect moment? Set up threshold alerts in Wise and never miss a rate again. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable threshold updates in Wise, from finding the settings to setting your target rate. By the end, you'll be getting automatic notifications the moment your ideal exchange rate hits, so you can stop refreshing that page and start taking action. Start by scrolling down on your Wise homepage. You are looking for a section that says Get Exchange Rate Updates.
Now, this is the gateway to everything we are about to do. You might have to scroll a little bit depending on how many things are on your dashboard, but it is usually right there in the main area. Click on that. This takes you to your Exchange Rate Alerts page. And here's the thing. You might not have any alerts set up yet, and that is totally fine. So now we're going to fix that. Look for the button that says Create a New Alert. It's usually a clear button toward the top of the page. Click on that. Now here is where the magic starts. You will see a drop-down menu asking you to choose the currency. This is where you pick the pair you want to monitor. For example, if you are sending money from US dollars to euros, you would select that pair. It is a simple drop-down, and you will find all the common currency combinations here. In my experience, it is worth taking a moment to double-check you have picked the right one, because this is the rate you will get notified about. After selecting the currency, you will see a toggle switch labeled Threshold Updates. This is the key feature we are here for. It might be off by default, so go ahead and toggle it on. And here is the really important part. Once you turn this on, a new field will appear. That field is where you enter the specific exchange rate you want to be alerted at. With threshold updates enabled, type in the exchange rate you are aiming for. Let us say the current rate is 1.10, and you want to jump in when it hits 1.12. You just type 1.12 into that box. Wise will then watch the market for you around the clock. You do not need to be glued to your screen. I have tested this feature many times, and it is incredibly reliable. Just make sure you are being realistic with your target. You do not want to set it so high that it never hits, or so low that you are getting alerts every 5 minutes. Finally, click Continue to save your alert. That is it. You have just automated something that used to require constant manual checking. Wise will now send you a notification, whether by email or push notification, the moment your rate is reached, so you can make your transfer at the exact right time without lifting a finger until you are ready. Now you can stop refreshing and start getting notified. Give it a try with your next transfer and see how much easier it makes the whole process.